International Open University. I'm here to present my product as SD Decent company. We produce a lot of different varieties of tiles. Today, what makes era to be called an era of celebration is all about fashion. Fashion has taken the world so far, which gives us a nice appearance. For a commoner to be presentable in the public, your appearance talks a lot. So here we have a crepe top, which is nice and it is trend. It's the latest style in the town. Many people think that a crepe can be only making for a woman, but here we have come for a different style, a unique pattern that a man can also wear. So this one is called Senator. We make it with smooth material. Both men and women can wear it. It's also a unisex. And this one is traditional wear outfits. Now we are here to present it for the world to know that we have a new style, which it is second to none to the town. Today in our company we produce so many things which we intend to go far more than how we are now, but lack of some assistances and some technological instruments that we require to push it more far, but all these are not available for us. But today, technology has made it easier for us. We have a cutting machine and zigzag scissors. All these things are cost enough for us to be able to achieve. And we are here to thank, we are here to beg the National Open University to assist us with little funds where we can be able to take our fashion far away. Thank you.